So hey guys, the rotating bezel was the most popular Galaxy Watch feature. Unfortunately, Samsung discontinued it with the Galaxy Watch 5 series. The rotating bezel appeared on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic but not on its successor, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. But it appears that Samsung is bringing the feature back with the Galaxy Watch 6 series. The Galaxy Watch 6 series will be released later this year, and according to a recent claim, Samsung will bring back the much loved physical rotating bezel, but only for the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro. A recent few reports indicated that the Watch 6 Pro might include a physical rotating bezel. Additional information has now surfaced revealing that Samsung may introduce a classic model with a rotating bezel to the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup. A Galaxy Club member spotted the batteries for the Galaxy Watch 6 models. The watch will be available in 40mm and 44mm size, while the Watch 6 Classic will be available in two sizes, 42mm and 46mm, which is a wonderful news, and even I like the Samsung's rotating bezel feature. A rotating bezel isn't necessary, but it's a lovely touch and one that's very notable for people who enjoy the status symbol aspect of wearables. With a few more little luxurious, Samsung may convince wearable buyers that they need to go again classic in 2023. Let's hope the rotating bezel returns in at least one model in 2023 lineup. Aside from adding to watch's charm, the feature gives it a major advantage over its competitors. Last week reported that the basic Galaxy Watch 6 would be getting a modest battery upgrade, going from 284mAh to 300mAh and 410mAh to 425mAh. While the higher-end Galaxy Watch 6 seems to have a much smaller battery capacity than the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's 590mAh battery, it is suspected that Samsung may release the Galaxy Watch 6 in its classic avatar, which has a physical rotating bezel. Things will only become obvious when more information about future watches becomes available. The Galaxy Watch 6 will be released later this year along with the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5. So what do you think about this Galaxy Watch 6 Classic? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.